A dictionary looks a little bit different, and you might see them in these two forms. These are the exact same dictionary object, just printed a little differently. A dictionary, instead of relying upon an index, uses what's called a key and value pair. So in the array, if I wanted to do something with that first value, dog, the string, I would use index 0. In this, if I want to access the name, I'm going to use the key to access that. I'm going to say, give me the name or change the name, right? So if it's an employee record, I have name, age, job, and email. So that's nice, okay? And you can see here, it has members. It has curly braces, not square brackets. And it's still separated by commas. You can see the key and the value, the green and the blue, go together. They're separated by a colon. So name, colon, Bob, comma. Then we have the next member, age, colon, 25. Now, the key can be one of a few different data types. Should usually be a string, could be an integer. I would recommend not any other data type. Okay, just keep it simple for now. Usually you're going to use a string for the key. The value, however, can be any object. So again, could be a string, could be an integer, could be a list, could be a dictionary inside this. So you can see here, same thing on both of these. The advantage to this is that it's easier to read if you have something hard-coded as a dictionary. The advantage to this is that it takes up less space, but they are the same. As long as you have the curly braces, it's not going to give you an error when you insert line breaks there. So dictionaries are ordered, meaning they will maintain the same order. Name will be the first one, but it doesn't really matter because they are what's called key indexed. To access the name, you're not going to use D-employee slot 0. You're going to say D-employee name. They're mutable. You can change them. And again, the value can contain any object.